The Storefront for Art and Architecture was founded in 1982 as a nonprofit organization that is committed to the advancement of innovative exhibitions, artist talks, film screenings, conferences, and publications that are intended to generate dialogue and collaboration across geography, ideology, and disciplinary boundaries. The Storefront allows for merging voices to be able to explore vital issues in the art and architecture with the intent to increase awareness and interest in contemporary art design. The Storefront for Art and Architecture has maintained an important position among the local, national, and international design communities through consistently experimental programming. The Storefront remains one of New York's only alternative platforms focusing primarily on architecture and the built environment. The Storefront for Art and Architecture has always demonstrated its commitment to presenting innovative work to the public. All exhibitions have artists that encourage, engage, and experiment with unusual conditions of the gallery. Over 1,000 internationally recognized artists, architects, and designers have presented at the Storefront, including people like Peter Cook, Tony Fraser, Dan Graham, and Stephen Hall.
The most recent exhibition, Dig, by Daniel Arshan of Snarchitecture. Dig explores the architecture of excavation. The gallery space was filled with solid volumes of EPS architectural form, engulfing the existing interior in an unyielding flood of white. The volume then excavated using simple tools. The solid volume is excavated and inhabited by basic necessity, but also engages in careful play with the existing architecture of Storefront.
In 1993, Storefront commissioned a collaborative building project by artist Vito Aconce and architect Stephen Hall. The project replaced the existing facade with a series of 12 panels that pivot vertically or horizontally to open the entire length of the gallery directly onto the street. The project blurs the boundary between interior and exterior, and by placing the panels in different configurations, creates a multitude of different possible facades. The facade is now regarded as a contemporary architectural landmark. In the reading, From Space, Time, and Architecture by Siegfried Gieden, it is important to satisfy our feeling for a rational space that permits interior and exterior to be seen simultaneously. The Storefront of Art and Architecture, with its panel walls, allows for being able to see the inside walls while standing outside, as well as seeing the outside walls while standing inside.
In 2003, on the occasion of the 20th anniversary of Storefront, Storefront organized and presented the Archive Project, a major exhibition that transformed Storefront's archive into a public exhibition. The archive is now maintained as an ongoing scholarly resource for students, critics, historians, and others interested in experimental work in art and architecture over the past 2 decades.